For the first time, the 7th World Water Forum has included a new process on science and technology. They have recognized the importance of science and technology as well as the innovation within our water sector. And this process is actually with a general goal of linking researchers, regulators, practitioners, and policymakers. In order to link them, the first thing we need to do is to really let them know what's available within the science and technology, what are the know-hows in this moment. Only when they know what's available, the policymakers can invest in appropriate science and technology and to scale up innovations. There are several different activities the forum is organizing in order to reach this goal. The first, and as the basics, is the writing of 5 reports on efficient water management, smart water systems, resource recovery, coping with disasters, as well as on ecosystem services. The general message actually we want to convey to the different actors within the water sector is that we cannot do the business as usual anymore, and we really need to work together to scale up innovations from research to early adopters to pilot scales, eventually reach full-scale applications.